Hello, my name is Rachel. I work as a student organization assistant, and I'll be guiding you through how to fill out a tax ID request form. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and type in as.scsu.edu. Once you get to the home page, hover over the Get Involved tab and select Student Organization Banking. Once you're on the banking page, scroll down to the bottom to find the most recent forms. Select Tax ID Request Form. The tax ID request form has two purposes. The first is for fundraising. The first thing you want to do is enter in today's date. And if you're doing an online fundraising application, you're going to fill in box 1. You're going to put in the business name. For this example, I'm going to be using Chipotle. And then you're going to skip box 2 because this is only if you're making a donation, if a business is making a donation. And you're going to go directly to box 3, where you're going to input your student organization information. For this example, I'm going to be using Raised by Fun. Input the student's name who's filling out the form, the student's email that's associated with the school, the student's phone number, the event date if known. If not, you can write in not applicable, the name of the event. If it's not known, leave it blank, and the amount expected. However, at this time, you probably won't know how much you're expected to receive from this fundraiser, so you can leave this part blank. Once you finish with boxes 1 and 3, save it as a PDF and save it onto your computer. Once it's saved on your computer, email it to as.rsobanking@scsu.edu or drop it off at the AS office located on the 3rd floor of the ASSEC Student Union Building, Suite 320. Once you submit the form, we will respond with our tax ID number so you can complete your online application with the company you have chosen to do your fundraising event with. Associated Students tracks all fundraising applications to make sure your funds get deposited into the right account. After your event is completed, you should receive a confirmation email from the fundraising company stating the amount your organization will be receiving. Once you receive this email, please forward it to as.rsobanking@scsu.edu. The second purpose of the tax ID request form is for donations. So please input the date first and then go to box 2. Here you'll be completing the business's name and information. For this example, I'll be using Batch and Box. Please put in their phone number and then the name that you've been in contact with within the company. Input their business address, and then the email address of the contact name. If this business is requesting a W-9, then checkmark this box. If not, then you can leave this box blank. Then enter in your student organization information. Again, I'll be using Raised by Fun. Input the student name, student email address, student phone number, enter in the event date if it's known. If not, you can put not applicable or leave it blank. Input the name of the event. If you don't know it, it's fine, you can leave it blank. And the amount expected to be donated. At this time, you will probably know the amount being donated, so please enter it here. However, if you don't, it's okay to leave it blank. Once you finished with box 2 and 3, you can then save it as a PDF and save it onto your computer, and then email it to as.rsobanking@scsu.edu, or you can drop it off in person at the AS office located on the 3rd floor of the Aztec Student Union Building, Suite 320. Once you complete and submit the form, we will send the company/donor a thank you letter on behalf of the student organization, as well as the tax ID information. For every event, student organizations must submit a tax ID request form before and follow up afterward by sending us an email letting us know how much you expect to receive for your fundraising event. It is important that we are able to track incoming funds for every event in order to make sure it gets into the correct account. Make sure all checks are payable to associated students and are mailed to 5500 Campanile Drive, Suite 320, San Diego, California, 92182. Thank you.